unboxing Sage's sweater outfit. Contains one tank top, one pair of leggings, one sweater, and one pair of sandals, $34. Quite a good deal. And I found that this set is actually out of really good material. These are, I'm not sure if you know what jeggings are, but jeggings are jeans leggings that most people have, and they're actually really cute. I actually wear these sometimes, so it's easy to match your dolls with jeggings. That's right here. Then we've got this really cute tank top singlet. It's whitish grey and it has these, well, it's white and it has these really cute grey patterns on them. So we've got everything in this set's really good, made of really good materials. Then we've got these really adorable brown sandals, and it says on them, American Girl made in China. Shame on you, American Girl. You charge us $110 for a doll, yet you get the cheapest way possible to make them, and you make them where everything's made. Maybe you should, I guess a suggestion, American Girl should probably, I know everything's really made out of good materials in this set, but I honestly think that American Girl should make their stuff in places that aren't so cheap to make things there. Like, it would probably cost 10 cents to make a doll there, because that's where everyone makes their things. But if you're charging $110 for a doll and $34 for an outfit, maybe you should make it somewhere like actually in America. Just a suggestion, but they're still made out of really good material. This is plasticky material. It's kind of like a flexible plastic. It's not really flexible, but it's shiny. It's more flexible than normal low quality plastic. It's higher quality. It's a bit harder, but in a way it's a little more flexible and shiny. And they're really cute. Oh my gosh, they're so adorable. I always put them in every single outfit. And they have this little denim encrypting like there. Now onto the sweater. Made out of such good material, I can't believe it. Now I've got the tag. Once again, made in China for American Girl. And the product number, yada yada. It's a really cute pattern and it folds in really cute. I really like it. It's really artsy. So this is the finished outfit. Alright, so bye guys.
American G Dolls, subscribe.